Cô nào hỏi cô nào hỏi cô nào hỏi nè. Này là có sao?
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
So this leaf is we are going to feed for the pig right now. So my sister is cutting for pig food. So you can see this is the pig stay. You can see here, and you can see here some freak. What do you call in your on the leg? I don't know. You can comment me in the comment section. Here's the basket. This is good for, you know, for animals like goat. Yes, this one. this one. This is good for pig.
This one. I'm plucking this one, you know.
We have here season fruit lacticu. We commonly call Burmese grape. So come with me, let's have a test. Right here. Come. Have a look. This is the inside. You see it?
Sour or sweet? Sour or sweet?
It's a little bit sour as well as there is a sweetness also. This. So guys, this is the kid. This kid is something 1 week old, and this goat is the mother. So this is a lovely kid, you see. This is so cute. But smelly, eh?
May luluy siya. Oh! May lười lưới.
Nằm theo tiêu.
Nè, dìu lao nó làm sao thế nào?